Saturday, May 4th, 2024. Focus. If they persecuted me, they will also persecute you. These words of Jesus from 2000 years ago ring true even today, particularly in our country. Many instances of persecution go unreported. Christian values differ greatly from worldly ones. Jesus taught forgiveness in the face of persecution, but the world teaches violence that never ends. People of other faiths are often baffled by the crucifixion. They find it hard to understand Jesus' great love for humanity and his extreme sacrifice on the cross for it. The world proclaims survival of the fittest, but the gospel urges us to care for the poor and the weak. Indeed, the list of differences between Christian and worldly values is long. Every Christian knows that persecution may be the price of just being Christian. The martyrs endured persecution joyfully, and the church stands tall today because of their fortitude. Tertullian, one of the early church fathers, wrote, "The blood of martyrs is the seed of the church." Persecution should not prevent us from standing up for the truth. Paul and Timothy, having been forbidden by the Holy Spirit to speak the word in Asia, were helped by the same Spirit to preach discreetly. As Pope Francis once said, we need to ask the Spirit for the grace of discerning what worldliness is, what the gospel is, and that we not allow ourselves to be deceived by the world. Fruit. I will strive to be a true Christian despite persecution.